Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to add a label to a Kubernetes node so that if you schedule a pod to be started to be created on that particular node by referring to the labels that you have added to your YAML file, you can do that. So for specific pods that will go to a particular node or a set of nodes that you can do. Here I have two worker nodes and one master node. I'm adding all of them custom label to them. So in your case, probably you will have multiple worker nodes and multiple master nodes as well. So there you want to segregate, you wanted some pods to go into particular worker node. To do that, what you have to do is you have to label that particular node within that Kubernetes cluster, and to do that you have to do kubectl label nodes and then give the kube node FQDNs. Here I am not using any FQDN because this is my test cluster in my system. So I'm just giving host names, whatever name I've given in the Kubernetes cluster. The kube master, kube node 1 and kube node 2, capability equal to monitoring. So these particular three nodes are labeled as monitoring. So once I define the YAML file that refer this particular label in my YAML file, my pods will be scheduled on any of this node. So this is how you do the labeling, and I'll show you how to do a how to see what are the labels that are assigned to these nodes. So let's go there. What you have to do is you have to do a kubectl get nodes and then show labels. This will show you all the labels that is added to your particular node, and you can see it here. You can see it here that these are the labels that has been added to this these nodes. The master one is having definitely it is having the node role as master, and then you can see the capability equal to monitoring here on this and on this, because we have chosen these three machines to be defined, like to be labeled as capability as monitoring. So it is showing us here. And apart from this, what you can do is kubectl describe node and then give the node name. So it will show you this. Here it should have the labels. Here you can see the labels capability equal to monitoring. Here also you can find out the whatever the labels given to that particular node. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this.